Why pay $12 for takeout when you can make a fresh, tasty stir-fry at home for under $3 a serving? Here are 10 budget-friendly combos that are quick to make and easy to customize. Subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes that are easy, tasty, and won't drain your wallet. Number 1. Chicken plus broccoli plus garlic sauce. Tender chicken and crisp broccoli in a savory garlic sauce, balanced and satisfying. Number 2. Beef plus bell pepper plus black bean sauce. Thin beef and sweet bell peppers in rich black bean sauce, bold and savory. Number 3. Tofu plus bok choy plus oyster sauce. Crispy tofu with tender bok choy glazed in oyster sauce, light and filling. Number 4. Pork plus cabbage plus sweet chili sauce. Seared pork and soft cabbage coated in sweet chili, bright and tasty. Number 5. Shrimp plus snap peas plus ginger soy sauce. Juicy shrimp with crisp snap peas and ginger soy, fresh and fast. Number 6. Egg plus spinach plus soy garlic sauce. Fluffy eggs with wilted spinach and soy garlic, simple and protein-rich. Number 7. Chicken plus green beans plus teriyaki sauce. Seared chicken and green beans and glossy teriyaki, sweet and savory. Number 8. Ground beef plus carrot plus hoisin sauce. Brown beef with shredded carrot and hoisin, deep flavor, quick cook. Number 9. Tofu plus mushroom plus garlic sauce. Golden tofu and earthy mushrooms in garlicky sauce, plant-based and hearty. Number 10. Pork plus Napa cabbage plus miso sauce. Thin pork and Napa cabbage in warm miso, cozy and light. All of these cost less than $3 per serving and take under 20 minutes to make. So skip the takeout and try one tonight. Which combo are you making first? And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.